In a time of rising geopolitical tensions across Eastern Europe, the United States Army has once again demonstrated its firm commitment to NATO allies and regional security. At the Poland 2025 training area, soldiers from the 3rd Squadron of the 2nd Cavalry Regiment carried out an extensive Stryker live-fire qualification exercise, an event that went far beyond simple drills. Senior leaders from the Polish Armed Forces, joined by NATO officers, observed the exercise, underscoring its importance as more than a routine military event. This was a demonstration of readiness, unity, and shared purpose. At the heart of the exercise stood the renowned Kill Squad of the 3rd Squadron, a unit celebrated for its precision firepower and high-tempo maneuver capabilities. The unit showcased rapid assault tactics, integrating Stryker movements with indirect artillery support, simulated close air support, and rigorous sustainment operations to ensure the vehicle's readiness during prolonged missions. The Stryker platform itself was a central highlight. With its 8-wheel design, it provides both speed and protection, capable of traversing difficult terrain while shielding troops from small arms fire and explosive threats. Equipped with heavy machine guns, grenade launchers, and optional remote weapon systems, the Stryker adapts seamlessly to roles ranging from troop transport to reconnaissance and direct fire support. While the exercise focused on tactical excellence, its strategic implications were clear. It sent a decisive signal to Russia and beyond. NATO remains united, modernizing, and fully prepared to defend its members. Poland, as a frontline state bordering areas of direct instability, continues to play a critical role by hosting and cooperating with U.S. forces. Meanwhile, NATO's decision to expand the use of the Stryker platform strengthens the alliance's mobility and firepower, ensuring rapid responses to any emerging threats across the region. Military experts note that such exercises serve 3 essential purposes: building interoperability between U.S. and NATO forces, demonstrating deterrence through visible displays of readiness, and strengthening trust among allies by sharing tactics, training, and operational expertise. The live-fire demonstration was far more than a technical display of vehicles and weapons. It was a bold reaffirmation of NATO's cohesion, its forward-leaning posture, and its determination to remain a credible shield on Europe's eastern frontier. What unfolded in Poland was more than a military exercise. It was a strategic message and a reflection of NATO's evolving approach to security in an unpredictable world. The symbolism of this event cannot be overstated. By gathering U.S., Polish, and NATO forces together, the alliance showed that it is not only prepared to fight, but also committed to strengthening collective defense. For countries on the eastern flank, such demonstrations are reassurance that NATO's promises are not just words, but actions backed by presence and capability. The choice of the Stryker armored vehicle highlights NATO's shift toward adaptable, mobile platforms that balance protection with agility. Unlike heavy armor, the Stryker is built for speed and flexibility, allowing forces to move quickly in contested terrain while still providing significant firepower. Its modular design means it can be rapidly configured for different roles, making it a perfect fit for NATO's need to respond to diverse and fast-changing threats. Geopolitically, the exercise carried dual messages. To potential adversaries, it demonstrated deterrence by showing not just military equipment, but the unity and skill of the forces operating them. To allies, it reaffirmed that NATO's eastern and southeastern flanks are fully integrated into its defense posture, ensuring that no nation within the alliance is left vulnerable. Looking ahead, NATO's embrace of versatile systems like the Stryker signals a broader modernization effort aimed at keeping the alliance agile, credible, and effective in a rapidly shifting security environment. This evolution strengthens deterrence, reinforces unity, and ensures that NATO's edge is not dulled by the challenges of tomorrow. In the end, the Poland exercise was not simply about demonstrating firepower, it was about projecting resolve, building trust, and proving once again that NATO's true strength lies in unity of purpose as much as in advanced technology.